Hello all. Today I'm going to explain about in a short and simple way how to secure SYSVOL folder under DNS in Active Directory. SYSVOL folder, everyone knows about the SYSVOL on DNS. SYSVOL is the shared folder. It's having a public files. It's replicated to all DCs, and DNS, it's a DNS domain name system. It uses for the DNS name resolution. Now just I'm going to explain how to secure SysVol folder. It is important because it's preventing attacks from the attackers. So if you don't restrict the SysVol, everyone can access it and everyone can restrict it. So here is the way how to restrict. Securing SysVol. SysVol contain a group policy templates and scripts, so it's critical to protect it from unauthorized changes. So what we are going to do? First, we are restricting with the permissions. Restriction permissions only allow domain admins under system full control. So instead of everyone, just we are providing permissions only for domain admins and only for the system full control, and limiting the read write access to authenticated users. And same second one, we are using enable GPU auditing. If you enable GPU auditing, it will track the changes to group policy objects stored in SysVol. If any changes made, it will track. It will generate a alert log. With the log, you can identify who made the changes. Again, we'll enable DFSR permissions if using DFSR for SysVol. Generally, the old version of SysVol having a FRS, file replication services. The new version having a DFSR. Again, the fourth one is disable anonymous access. Prevent anyone outside your domain from reading this whole folder. It is more important. Everything we are applying through group policy. All the settings are applied through group policy. And this is the quick command to check permissions. Get access list. Windows sysvol folder reside at this location. Windows sysvol format and list. So it will give the list of access, who having access, which kind of access. Then the second point is securing DNS. DNS also we are securing from the to prevent unauthorized access, and main goal is to defend attacks from the attackers. We are doing this. DNS is crucial for AD. If compromised, AD can be hijacked. If AD hijacked, all the information is on the attacker hand. If attack is in hand, the company collapse. You can still restrict the AD, but he will store much information. So to prevent that, what we are doing, we are restricting zone transfers. Zone transfer means we have a many types of zone transfers: full transfer, incremental zone transfers. So only we are allowing to transfer the query to the particular DNS server. Whenever there is a query from the web browser, we are restricting them to forward to the particular DNS servers instead of public servers. We are enabling DNS security. Just how to do this? We need to enable, right click the DNS zone, and we need to enable a DNS security. And we are doing a secure and dynamic update. When we are clicking a zone, there instead of dynamic update, what we are doing, we are enabling secure only. So when you enable secure only authenticated messages can update their records. So within the zone, within the organization, within the domain only, will intact or contact with the DNS zone, and we are limiting the DNS server access. So only admins should be able to modify DNS zones. So we are not giving permissions to everyone. We are giving just we need to give permissions only to the domain admins. Then again we need to enable audit DNS changes. In the domain admin also, everyone is not expert. So if suppose if we give any access to anybody, or else expert also made a changes, it might be a bug, or he not made changes in proper way. So if we enable this, then we'll come to know who made the changes, then how to revert it, what might, once we found the user, we can ask the user directly who made what are the changes we made. Else we need to audit the logs. In the audit log we can come to know how changes made. Then this is a quick check for a zone transfer. Actually, in the Active Directory domain structure, ADDS, just open a DNS manager, right click zone, properties, zone transfer, only servers listed, not to public, only the listed servers we are enabling the zone transfer. The key concept is SYSVOL. SYSVOL folder is the baseline is the key idea. Just what is SYSVOL? It's a protect. SYSVOL contains group policy objects and scripts. టెంప్లెట్స్ కాదండి, జీపో ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ వేరు, స్క్రిప్ట్స్ వేరు. స్క్రిప్ట్స్ అంటే లాగ్ ఆన్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్, అండ్ వీఆర్ restricting with the write access. DNS protect a name resolution, restrict, update and transfer. Thank you.